Careful near that tear, the metal looks unstable.
Look at the cockpit. The vines have completely... The main spar is completely compromised. We can't use it for support. The cargo bay floor is too rusted near the exposed rib.
Stop! Don't move, it's unstable. Look at the crack.
Start the pull.
Tension is increasing. She's starting to shift.
Steady now. Engage the tension. And pull, pull, pull. Did you hear that pop? Rivet shear on the...
Bring her down 50 feet, hold steady.
Copy that. Descending. Watch your spacing down there.
All right, secure the area, move it.
Watch the wing clearance on the left side.
Confirmed. All systems green. Proceeding as planned.
All right, easy now. Bring her right up to the yellow line.
Roger that. Speed decreasing.
Pay close attention to the rivet patterns near the wing roots.
Right.
That's where the stress fractures are most critical.
Yes, the schematic highlights the zone.
All right, bring her down another foot. Steady, steady, we're set.
The projections confirm severe stress fractures near the wing root attachment points.
We'll need to increase the frequency of the eddy current scans in this area.
Hitting it.
Okay, bring it down 5 millimeters on your side.
5 millimeters, checking the laser alignment now. This section here, station 414, it matches the fuselage reading.
Logged as complete. The next target is the starboard coupling.
Right here, we'll hit this tomorrow.
I need you to reinforce this joint before the next phase. The stress reports came back this morning.
Bring it down 5 millimeters.
And traverse left.
Easy.
Locked.
We're showing a 2-degree differential on the trailing edge. Bring it down slowly.
Reading you, coming down now. We're symmetrical.
Confirmed. Proceed with final securing.
Hold it right there. Check the alignment on the inboard spar.
Alignment is good. Clear to proceed.
Hold it right there. Now nice and easy down to the blocks.
Okay, she's seated.
Start tightening the main straps. 3 clicks on the ratchet. All right, take the tension slowly. Clear on the left side. Watch the intake manifold.
Manual rotation complete. Clear to engage the assist motor.
Affirmative. Oil pressure holding steady.
Engaging now.
Bring it over the tray. Watch the alignment. Looks good. Lowering now.
The stress fracture is too deep right here.
It's compromised. Mark it for rejection.
Bring her up 10 feet. Hold for alignment. Watch the rotation on your side.
I'm seeing some unusual wear on this mount.
Check the tension on the adjacent bolts as well.
I think we should replace this entire mount. The corrosion is too deep.
Let me document it first.
Okay, check the friction on the throttle. Does that feel right?
Yes, smooth travel through the gates.
Go ahead and cycle the access panel.
Panel secure. Latch engagement confirmed.
Excellent. We are good to proceed.
Lower it slowly. Watch the alignment pin. It's clearing the rib now. Okay, set it down.
All right, hit the bottom one now.
Got it. Feels solid.
Seat mechanism is secure. Green tag applied. Let's move on to the forward bulkhead.
Copy that.
Floor points look solid here too.
Propulsion phase complete.
Well done, everyone. The old girl is finally ready.
Gear assembly looks solid. See the strut?
Confirmed. Ticking off section 4.
We need more tape on the starboard wing.
Coming right up.
Final walk around complete.
Shocks removed. Confirmed.
Copy that. Ready for engine start. Magneto's engaged.
Engaged. Fuel pressure stabilizing.
Starter engaged.
Starting sequence initiated.